Now we will look at how to set a complete fine dining table.
In some more formal restaurants, first you will put down the charger plate. Align it with the edge of the table. The charger plate is put on the table solely for decoration. The dinner plate is placed on top of the charger plate. In restaurants that don't use the charger plate, the dinner plate is the first plate of the arrangement. Now, put the dinner knife on the table, on the right side of the plate, with the cutting side facing in. Then, put the dinner fork on the left side of the plate. The fork and knife should be aligned with the short edge of the charger plate. Put the fish knife beside the dinner knife. The alignment should be determined by the middle of the knives, where it changes from blade to handle. On the left side of the plate, put the fish fork. The point of the fish fork can be higher than the dinner fork, as long as they are aligned in the middle. The soup spoon should be placed directly next to the fish knife. The handle of the spoon should be aligned with the handle of the fish knife. Put the bread plate on the left side of the dinner plate. On top of the bread plate, put the bread or butter knife. Put the dessert knife on the far side in front of the dinner plate, aligned with the long side. The handle should be turned to the right side, and the sharp side of the blade should be turned towards the plate. Above the knife, put the dessert fork with the handle on the left side. Then put down the dessert spoon with the handle on the right side, aligned with the dessert knife. The glasses should be carried on a tray every time by type. Pick them up by their base so you don't dirty them. First, place the water glass next to the dessert knife. Next, place the red wine glass above the dinner knife. The white wine glass should be placed to the right of the red wine glass, creating a curve. After comes the cognac snifter. The champagne flute, the liqueur glass should be placed to the right of the champagne flute. Place a folded napkin in a glass or on top of the plate. Put the flower vase on one side or in the center. The ashtray, the salt and pepper shakers, and the table number. The candlestick should always be placed in the middle of the table. And this is one of the ways you set a formal table. In this example, we didn't place the salad fork and knife that may be brought to the table when the salad course is served. However, they could be placed on the table from the start of the place setting. If the salad is served after the entree, the salad fork is placed to the right of the dinner fork, next to the plate, and the knife would be placed to the left of the dinner knife. If the salad is to be served first, followed by the fish, then the forks and the knives would be arranged accordingly. The salad fork should be placed to the left of the fish fork, and the salad knife should be placed to the right of the fish knife. Another option is to already place the salad plate and the soup bowl on the top of the dinner plate from the beginning. The placement of utensils depends on the restaurant's menu. Therefore, you should follow the specific table setting instructions indicated at your job.